Let's crochet a convallaria majalis. The heart of the flower. Then assemble them like this. Use purple yarn for demonstration. The purple yarn. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring it to index finger. Wind the yarn around the middle finger. This is a magic ring. Use a purple yarn. This crochet is double-ended. We use a bigger one. Pass through the cast-on ring. The middle finger. Pass through the loop on the middle finger. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a cast-on. Wind, yarn over the loop on the crochet. A cast-on is done. We need to crochet 6 single crochets. Crochet pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind it. After winding, there are 2 loops on the crochet. Yarn over. The first stitch is done. Beginners can place a marker in the first stitch. Place in this stitch. This V-shaped is a stitch. Crochet every V-shaped is a stitch. We count the stitch is to count V-shaped. Go on another. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind. Yarn over the loop on the crochet. This is the second stitch. Pass through, wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops again. Pass through, wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Go on another. This is 6 stitches. After crochet, count V-shaped. The loop on the crochet is not a stitch. Take the yarn off the middle finger. Pull the end of the yarn and tighten this loop. After tighten, make a slip stitch with the stitch placed marker. Crochet a slip stitch to form a ring. Take off the marker. Pass through the stitch of placing marker. Wind and yarn over. Make a slip stitch. Wind and yarn over the loop on the crochet and tighten this loop. A slip stitch has done. Let's crochet the second lap. Crochet a cast-on. Wind and yarn over the loop. This is a cast-on. The second lap is to crochet 6 increases of single crochet. Crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Pass through this stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops on the crochet. This is a stitch. Place a marker. Crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. Pass through this stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. This is an increase of single crochet. Also crochet 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Go on another stitch in the same way. After the second is done, it's 12 stitches. Went in yarn over. Pass through. Went in yarn over. The 12 stitches are done. We can count a stitch. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pass through the stitch. Went in yarn over the loop on the crochet. Tighten it. Adjust the loop. Go on the third lap. Crochet a cast on first. This is a cast on. The third is crochet a single crochet and an increase for 6 times. Crochet a single crochet first. Pass through this stitch. Went in yarn over. Crochet an increase in the next stitch. Is that crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Go on 1 single crochet and an increase. Crochet this lap in this way. This is 18 stitches after done. A single crochet. An increase. A single crochet. An increase. After crocheted, make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Went in yarn over the first stitch. Tighten it. Adjust the loop. The third lap is done. The fourth lap. Crochet a cast on. The fourth is to crochet 18 single crochets. Crochet a single crochet in the slip stitch. Go on again. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. The 5th, the 6th, the 7th are the same too. Crochet 18 single crochets. The first stitch of the lap is to make a slip stitch. Crochet a cast on. Then crochet a single crochet in the stitch of cast on. Go on another 18 single crochets. This lap is to crochet 18 single crochets in the same way. Crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet the 8th lap. The 8th lap is also to crochet a cast on. Went and yarn over the loop. This is a cast on. The 8th lap is to crochet a single crochet and a decrease for 6 times. Pass through the stitch of the slip stitch. To crochet a single crochet. And then crochet a decrease. Pass through the stitch is close to our half stitch. Pass through the outer half stitch of the second stitch. All are on the crochet. Wind and yarn over. There are 2 loops on the crochet. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. This is a decrease. Crochet a single crochet, pass through. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a decrease. Pass through the stitch is close to our half stitch. The next stitch is close to our half stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops on the crochet. The next stitch is a single crochet. Crochet a single crochet. Continue a decrease. Pass through the stitch is close to our half stitch. The 2 stitches get together. Wind and yarn over. The hook of the crochet is down. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a single crochet. A decrease. Pass through the half stitch. Crochet a single crochet. Pass through the stitch is close to our half stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. A single crochet. A decrease. Pass through the stitch is close to our half stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. Tighten the loop on the crochet. Adjust the loop. Go on the 9th lap. Crochet the petal of convallaria majalis, like the wave, the small petal. Crochet a cast on first. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast on. Crochet a single crochet in the same stitch. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a single crochet in the same stitch. Crochet a half double crochet in the same stitch. The half double crochet is to wind the yarn on the crochet. There are 2 loops on the crochet. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. There are 3 loops on the crochet. Wind and yarn over. This is a half double crochet. Crochet a double crochet in the same stitch. Wind the yarn first. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. There are 3 loops on the crochet. Wind and yarn over the first 2 loops. The last loop is not. Wind and yarn over the first 2 loops. Wind and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Crochet a double crochet in the next stitch. Wind. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the first 2 loops. Wind and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Continue a half double crochet and a single crochet in the same stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Go on a single crochet. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. A petal has done. Repeat this method in the next stitch. 1 single, 1 half double, 1 double, 1 double, 1 half double. Repeat this way for 6 times. Continue a half double crochet. Crochet a single crochet first. Wend and yarn over. Continue a half double crochet. Wend. Pass through the stitch. Wend and yarn over the 3 loops on the crochet. Crochet a double crochet. Wend and pass through the stitch. Wend and yarn over. Wend and yarn over the first 2 loops. Wend and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. Continue to a double crochet. Wend and pass through the stitch. Yarn over. Wend. Yarn over the first 2 loops. Wend and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. A double crochet is down. Next, crochet a half double crochet. Pass through the stitch. Yarn over the 3 loops. Crochet a single crochet. Crochet a single crochet in next stitch. A single crochet. Wend and pass through the stitch. Wend and yarn over the 3 loops. Wend. Yarn over the first 2 loops. Wend and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. Continue in this way. Need to crochet 6 petals. Continue a double crochet in next stitch. Wend and yarn over. Continue a half double crochet. Yarn over the 3 loops. Continue a single crochet. Crochet a single crochet in next stitch. A half double crochet. A double crochet. Crochet a double crochet in next stitch. A half double crochet. A single crochet. Continue to crochet in this way. Next, we will demonstrate faster. A half double crochet. A single crochet. A single crochet. A half double crochet. A double crochet. After the last single crochet done, pull up the loop and cut off. Pull this yarn out. After done it like this. This place is not closed yet. We need to close it with a sewing needle. Thread the yarn into the sewing needle. After doing this, look at the first stitch of this. V-shape is cast on the stitch of the single crochet. Pass through. Pass through. Pass through. This is okay. Take the flower over. After this, we need to hide the yarn. Hide this. Pick the side randomly about 2 stitches. And then cut off the extra yarn. Continue to hide the yarn. Cut off the yarn. Then take over. This is the main part of the flower.